Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about AmpCoin. AMP crypto price prediction. A promising digital collateral coin. AMP, the token of the Fleexa collateralized asset transfer network, continues to show sharply volatile traits, with a price chart punctuated by sharp rises and quick falls. For example, on 10 February it rose 14% and then lost most of it all in just 5 hours. The end result is little overall gain. Since its low after the January flash crash, it has put on 16% compared to leading cryptos such as Ether, ETH, and Bitcoin, BTC, which have surged 40% and 29% respectively in that period. Like many cryptos, AMP has a plausible use case, in this case helping to provide users with fast, secure transactions, but a general gloom is hanging over the cryptocurrency space can no doubt take some of the blame for the price's lack of sustained growth. However, that use case is predicated on an insecurity some people feel about doing business with crypto. It is possible that as crypto becomes more mainstream and confidence grows, the service may become redundant. So what's next for AMP? Can it convince the market of its value? Can it gain momentum and break out of this long, disappointing decline? AMP price analysis. Technical view. The AMP coin started its journey at $0.00953 on 11 September 2020. It sustained that price level until 4 February 2021, when it reached $0.01138. The token then registered a spike on 25 May 2021, trading at $0.039. On June 10, AMP was listed on the mainstream cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, leading the token to hit an all-time high of $0.121 on 16 June 2021, according to data from CoinMarketCap. AMP reached $0.04524 on October 31, but in the last few months the price has been getting condensed between narrowing highs and lows. Technical analysis provided by CoinCodex on 17 February showed that short-term sentiment on AMP remained bearish, with 8 indicators displaying bullish signals and 17 bearish. The daily simple and exponential moving averages are giving sell signals, according to data from TradingView, while the Relative Strength Index, RSI, was at 44.67, 17 February. An RSI rating of 30 or below indicates an oversold or undervalued condition. TradingView's overall recommendation was a sell. Law enforcement agencies can also use the company's forensics tool to investigate crypto-related crime. McDudas explains why most DAOs are neither decentralized nor autonomous. LinkSDAO, a decentralized autonomous organization aspiring to reimagine the idea of the Gulf Country Club through global membership, illustrates the complexity that can underpin the Red Hot acronym. While holding a LinkSDAO NFT gives users membership rights, there has been some confusion amongst holders as to the extent of what those rights entail. McDudas, co-founder of LinkSDAO and Six Man Ventures, recently discussed the current landscape in an interview on The Scoop. As Dudas explained during the interview, today we're in this in-between world where many things that call themselves DAOs are really corporations, but have a participatory governance mechanism. So it looks different than a corporation, but it's not truly decentralized and autonomous in the spirit of what I believe these organizations can become over the coming decade. Indeed, LinkSDAO perhaps illustrates the diversity among DAOs today. Dudas cited ConstitutionDAO as an example of a legitimate DAO, since fundraising was both decentralized and anonymous. While ConstitutionDAO was formed to raise funds for a specific auction, not all DAO's missions are as straightforward. In the case of LinkSDAO, a corporation named LinkSDAO Incorporated is responsible for fundraising and business development. While owners of LinkSDAO NFTs are given membership rights to LinkSDAO, they do not receive ownership rights to LinkSDAO Incorporated. Let's take a look at the near future of AmpCoin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.